In this video, I'm going to show you how to overlay drawings inside of Bluebeam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up Bluebeam, sign into your account and open up your drawing or document. Now, from here, we want to click onto Document. Then we want to go ahead and click onto Overlay Pages. So we can see our preview below. Now red's going to be your default color, but we can change that to green or any other color you like. I'm going to keep this red for this demonstration. Now to add an overlay, click on the plus icon. We can add files like so, or you can add any ones you've been working on below here as well for quick access. Now once we click on it, you're going to see it's going to be added in up the top here. So we've got two different layers. Now I'm going to change the second one to a yellow. Now down below you'll be able to see them in the preview. We can actually drag these around and put one on the top or the bottom like so, and then go ahead and click on OK.